Hey everyone, welcome to Cozy English Club, where we sip coffee and talk simple English. I'm Lena.
And I'm Chris. We're two friends who love languages, and today we're keeping things simple, useful, and friendly.
Today's episode is all about simple sentences, especially how to use the verb to be, some essential pronouns, and how to correctly use a or an with nouns.
Exactly. And we'll keep it casual. We're literally sitting at a coffee shop right now. So grab your drink and let's learn together.
Let's begin with pronouns. These are small words, but we use them all the time.
Right. Pronouns replace nouns. Instead of saying Maria all the time, we say she.
Here are the subject pronouns we'll use today. I, you, he, she, it, we, they.
Let's try examples. I'll go first. I am Chris.
You are my friend.
He is a student.
She is a doctor.
It is a table. We are happy. They are teachers.
Perfect. If you're listening, try repeating those sentences with us.
Okay, now the big one. The verb to be, probably the most used verb in English.
It changes depending on the pronoun. So here's the full chart. I am. You are. He, she, it is. We, they are.
So we say, I am a teacher. You are funny. He is nice. We are students. They are busy.
Let's do a fun mini quiz. Chris, if I say, she, a nurse, what's the correct missing word?
She is a nurse.
Yes. And how about, they from Brazil?
They are from Brazil. Boom.
Okay, now let's talk about a and an. These come before singular nouns.
We use a before words that begin with a consonant sound, like a book, a pencil, a table.
And we use an before a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. An apple, an umbrella, an eraser.
So I can say, this is a notebook. That is an orange.
Exactly. And it doesn't always depend on the letter. It's about sound.
Right. Like an hour. It starts with an H, but we don't pronounce it.
Good example. Or a university. It starts with U, but the sound is U. So we say a university.
That used to confuse me, but now I get it.
Let's look around the coffee shop and make some simple sentences.
Okay, this is a cup. That is a napkin. It is an iced coffee.
Nice. How about a mini story?
Sure. I am in a cafe. There is a menu. There is a barista. I have an espresso. It is hot.
I love that. Listeners, try creating your own mini cafe story using a and to be.
Let's try yes/no questions with to be.
Good idea. Just flip the verb and the subject. Examples. Are you a student? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Is it a pen? Yes, it is. No, it isn't.
Let's try a few. Lena, are you a teacher?
Yes, I am. Now you. Is this a podcast?
Yes, it is. And a fun one, too.
How about, is that an orange?
No, it isn't. It's a lemon.
Let's do a practice round. Quick sentences using AI and to be.
Let's go. I am a person. This is a book. That is an eraser. It is a table. We are friends. You are amazing. He is a cook. She is an artist.
Great job. If you're listening, repeat with us or pause and make your own.
Let's do a final recap. Use to be like I am, you are, he is. Use subject pronouns to avoid repeating names. Use a before consonant sounds and an before vowel sounds. Make questions by putting the verb first. Is it a pen?
Practice every day. Describe what you see. This is a bag. That is an umbrella. I am happy.
That's it for today's episode. Thanks for hanging out with us at the coffee shop.
Follow us for more episodes where we make English easy and fun.
Next time, maybe we'll talk about things in our rooms.
Until then, keep practicing and keep sipping your English. Bye.
Bye, everyone.